Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, check your internet connection. Internet connection either through Wi-Fi or cellular data for connectivity and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn off airplane mode. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Airplane mode toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is delete and reinstall Instagram app. Select app Instagram which you want to delete and reinstall to again App Store and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update Instagram app. Tap on App Store, tap on search Instagram app, tap on Instagram, check the app update are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Instagram not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.